Oh my god, I am looking so fucking good. Jarrell is gonna want me back in 2 fucking seconds, but I don't give a fuck, cause I'ma call Brad Quanda and we gonna go to the park to look for some thug daddies to fuck with.
Who the fuck is calling me? I'm trying to watch Blurr. Oh my god.
Cecil, when it comes to 1-month-old Amaya, you are not the father.
Oh my god. He is not the father. Hello, who is this?
Who the fuck is this?
Who the fuck is you?
Who the fuck is you?
Who is you fuck?
Fuck is you who?
Who is fuck you?
Is you fuck who?
Fuck is you who?
Is you the fuck who?
Now come on, tell me, who the fuck is this?
Now come on, this your girl Keisha Fabo. I was calling to see if you wanted to gonna go to the park with me and we could go look for some thug daddies to fuck with, you know, with the pocket full of grub and the stacks on deck, you feel me?
Leg off.
Man, there ain't nothing out here but some trees and some bushes and some squirrels.
And that is not the type of nut that I am looking for.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, who the fuck that is?
Oh my god, girl, what's your name, girl? My name Bon Shaquita LaFondria.
Bon Shaquita LaFondria?
Yes, Bon Shaquita LaFondria. Bon, 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 bon. Oh my god, well, if it isn't Ratchet and fucking Clank. And who the fuck is this? I'm Bon Shaquita LaFondria. You better step your fucking ass off. Excuse me, what the fuck did you just say to me? You look like Bon Shaquita LaFondria. Dry up. You need some fucking lotion. And what the fuck is that on top of your head? It look like a fucking pine cone, you stupid unicorn looking motherfucker. Ooh, let's get this stupid bitch. Throw me a beat, girls. You always coming to me talking loads of shit. How do you talk so much with a mouthful of dick? I'm tired of your ass hanging around my block. How do you move so much with an ass full of cock? Oh my god. Deal trees, wish I could say it's been fun, but I got 2 friends with me. How many you got? None. Fuck all you hoes. Oh my god, you got her and you tore her a new booty hole.
Come on, babies, let's go find us some son daddies.